Roarke Ponce, and I own Excel Auto Body. I want to do a quick video here to highlight two people who have really assisted me over these years and allowed me to revolutionize the way I do business here at my little shop. The first is Tim Morgan with Spanesi Americas. Through his assistance, I've been able to really narrow down not only what I thought I wanted, but really find out what I needed. And the first purchase that I needed was a Spanesi Touch. This little device has revolutionized the way I do business. From increasing my estimates to making sure that my customers' vehicles are repaired 100% every time, the whole suite of Spanesi equipment has been vital to us being able to do those repairs to the OEM standard. The next step in that is with our advertising. Advertising is always a tough one for me. It's not something that I really enjoy, and as a business owner, it's not something I can ignore. So Michelle with B2B Automotive has been instrumental in allowing us to maintain our image and our presence in the community, to really get the word out there that while we have the most modern equipment, we can fix anything that comes across our doors. It doesn't just sit idle anymore because of Michelle's help. So as I look forward to 2018 and beyond, we're going to continue to work with both of them as they have been instrumental to us. If you have any questions or any concerns that you'd like to ask me about, give me a call. My phone number here is 541-591-5793. Be happy to speak with anybody to allay any fears or answer any questions.